Good morning. My name is Marian Olanyo from Olanyo Realty. Today we are going to show you one of the houses we are selling here in San Alfonso, Bacoor. Come on. So here you can see a 2 meter wide na porch. Come in. So we have a very spacious living area. Kasya po dyan yung dining set nyo and then your sala set nyo. Come here. Yan, may cladding po yan. And we have a common bathroom. Yan. Pasok po kayo. Tingnan nyo. Yan. So, simple lang po yung bathroom niya. We have a telephone shower. And then, you have your sink here. Okay, let's go. Tara, madam. So, we have a small bar counter here na pwedeng, pag may magpe-prepare ng meals, dito ilalagay or pwede din siyang preparation table niyo. This is your small kitchen. We have an overhang cabinet, and then below meron din po tayong cabinet for your storage. And then, as you can see, may space po tayo dito for your stove. Yan. And then dito, meron pa tayong open area na pwede gawin yung mess kitchen. Yan. Laundry area, pwede din po. So, makikita nyo po dito, meron na po tayo ready na TV rack naka-install. This is a hanging TV rack and PVC wall cladding para dito nyo ilalagay yung 54-inch TV nyo. Yan, so ready na yan. So, dito, before I forget pala, meron tayong bedroom downstairs para sa inyong mga senior parents or sa mga bisita nyo. Halika. So, this is the bedroom. Sige po, ma'am. Tingnan nyo. Pasok po kayo. Ayan. This is a small bedroom around, sabi natin mga 7 square meter. Tapos meron tayong ventilation. Looking out to the laundry area. Okay. So, ito, we have 1-car garage na actually pwede nyo rin gawing open space para sa mga parties nyo or pag may mga celebrations po kayo. Ayan. And then we have a small door na kung may bisita kayo, may sarili po silang access. Hindi na nila kailangang pumunta pa sa main door para ma-access po yung room na yan. Okay. Cut. Let's go back to the living area. Punta po tayo sa second floor. Makikita nyo dito, ma'am, dito kayo, ma'am, para makita nyo yung kagandahan ng stairs. This is one of the main features of this house na talagang maganda. Ito po, kahit mukhang wood siya, mga tubular metal po yan. Lahat po yan, metal. So, iwas anay po tayo. And this is supported by a very large metal tubular. And then lahat po yan hardwood. So, let's go upstairs, ma'am. Sunod po kayo. Ayan. Dito kayo, ma'am. Sige, pasok po kayo, ma'am. Ito yung chandelier light natin na Filipino-inspired. Para siyang bamboo. And then, ito po yung isa sa main bedrooms natin. Upstairs. Ayan. So, meron po siyang sariling access sa terrace. And this is quite spacious. This is around 20 square meter na bedroom. Ayan, tingnan niyo po, meron po tayong mga lights. Ayan, maganda yan. At meron din po tayong window dun sa dulo to serve as the ventilation for this area. And of course, we have another bedroom here. And of course, yung terrace po natin. Overlooking the neighborhood po. This is quite a very good resting place in the afternoons or in the mornings if you would like to have your breakfast here. And also, pag magmamerienda ka or magka-coffee break ka or yosi break. So, this is a good spot. Again, may mga ilaw po tayo dyan. which will illuminate your coffee time or your beer time paggabi. Okay, let's go to the other bedroom. By the way, ito ma'am yung tinatawag nating click and lock na flooring. So this is made of wood. Hindi yan plastic. So this is warm to the feet. Di ba ma'am? Maganda sa feet nyo. Hindi siya malamig. Halika po tayo. We have one common CR here, as you can see. Yan. Pasok po kayo ma'am, para makita nyo. Ayan. And meron din tayong dalawang ilaw dito. Ayan. And of course, a very cute bulb. So, lahat po bago yung fittings niyan. Sige. And this is the main bedroom. Pasok po kayo, ma'am. Ayan. We have two windows here. We have one ventilation here. And then, of course, we have a bedroom light. And meron po tayong cove light. Pwede nyo pa po yan lagyan ng ilaw. Ready na po yan for connection. Okay. Okay, and here, as you can see, we have outlets. Convenience outlets. Pwede nyo mag-charge kayo ng phone, ng laptop, ano pa man. And then, may cabinet din po yan for your storage. And here, of course, you can design your own headboard. Pwede nyo pa yan palagyan ng foam or kung ano pong gusto nyong design na magiging background for your queen size bed. Kasi dito kasi yung queen size bed. Okay. Okay, before we go down pala, let me show you. Ito pala, to save space, ginawa ni contractor na sliding door din siya. Ayan, ayan. Medyo na. So the total price of this property is 4.8 million. This can be availed through cash or bank financing. Sa bank financing po, pwede tayong mag-down payment ng from 20% to 30% and the rest can be loaned sa banko. So if you have any questions, don't forget to PM me sa page namin. Thank you.